Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is my second video of our series of 118 elements. And I had already explained you about hydrogen, and today I will explain you about helium. So let's start the video. So our first question is, what is helium? So helium is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, non-toxic and non-reactive gas. That is the second lightest element in the periodic table. It is the second most abundant element in the universe after hydrogen. Helium has a low boiling point, high thermal conductivity and low density, making it useful for a range of applications including as a lifting gas for blimps and balloons, cooling for MRI machines, welding and fabrications of metals, and leak detection in high vacuum systems. Helium is also an important resource for scientists studying the stars and evolution of the universe. So our second question is, what are the uses of helium? So the uses of helium are: first, lifting gas for blimps and balloons; second, cooling for MRI machines and other high-tech equipments; third, welding and fabrication of metals; fourth, leak detection in high vacuum systems. Our next question is, what are the functions of helium? So the functions of helium are: first, inertness, in which helium does not react chemically with other substances. Second, cooling. Helium low boiling point and high thermal conductivity make it useful for cooling. Third, lift. Helium's low density allows it to lift heavy objects. Our next question is, what are the pros of helium? So, first is non-toxic and safe to use. Second is, it doesn't react with other materials. Third is, high thermal conductivity and low boiling point, make it useful for cooling. Fourth is lightweight, making it useful as a lifting gas. Okay, and our next question is, what are the cons of helium? So cons of heliums are: scarce natural resource, expensive to produce and store, can leak easily, especially at right pressure. Helium has 2 proton, 2 neutron and 2 electron. It is considered the second lightest element after hydrogen. So I think that's it for helium, and these are the basic things which I had told you today about helium. So I hope you had understand the video, and about helium you had cleared all of your doubts about helium. So that's it for today's video, and I will meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.